Hi all, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to look at how to read all the sheets from an Excel file into a data frame or a list using lapply. To start with, let's look at the Excel sheet, the test Excel sheet that I have created. So you see, there are basically three tabs: data 1, data 2, and data 3, and it has a very simple illustrative kind of data set. It can be any data set. There can be multiple sheets. Let's say there are 10 to 15 sheets, and within each sheet there is a different data type. Or let's say there are 12 sheets, each sheet representing a month from a year or a calendar year or a fiscal year. So these are some of the typical configurations or settings in which an Excel sheet is used in business analytics. So how do we do that? So we will try to first get the working directory. So this particular Excel sheet is within the document folder. Now let me, to start with, this is basically to show you how to design the logic. Let's say if I read this, let's say if I read this Excel sheet, it will basically by default read me the first sheet, which is data 1. If you look closely, so even though all these three tabs are same, but essentially if I don't specify a sheet name, the first sheet will be read. Let's say, however, if I want to read all the sheets and import them into an R console, how do I do that? For that, I have to first, get the sheet names within this particular Excel file. Also, before I start, I am using this particular library, Open XLSX. It is a very powerful library in terms of its functionality. Then there is another library which is readr. Let's see if that is, yeah, readr. It is also very powerful, but for this particular video, we'll only be using OpenXLSX. So first I need to know what are the different sheet names. So this get sheet names is available within this OpenXLSX library, and I can just specify the file name which is there in my working directory. So if I do that, I basically get a vector. So once I get a vector, I can then iterate through it and use it according to my need. So let's say if I want to read the second data tab or second worksheet within R, how do I do that? I will just do an open XLSX read.xlsx and then the name of the file. Okay, I can directly copy this and then I need to specify sheets. Okay, no, not sheet. I think sheets will do. Let's see. Okay, so I'm able to read provided I specify the sheet name in a vector X. Okay, so once that is done, I can use lapply. I can iterate through sheet name, and my function here will be very simple. I can then assign it to Z, and then at the end I can return Z, and likewise I can assign the lapply output to L1. So if I do this now, I can read everything. So basically if you look at L1, it consists of three elements. So each of these three elements are what? A data frame, three variables. You can see it is exactly, so this is the first data frame, three observation of two variables, 1 2 3 and ABC. Again, second data frame is also similar to the data frame first, and so on. So you see, this is how you can basically read this up, and once it comes into an R console, it then becomes easy to, let's say, do further manipulation. Let's say if I want to analyze the first element of the list, so what I will do, so first I will check the names of L1. Okay, so currently there are no names, so I will then assign, since it is with respect to the sheet names within the Excel file, so all the elements of L1 will also be according to that only. So if I now do names of L1, it will basically represent data 1, data 3 and data 2. Okay, so you see data 1, data 3 and data 2. This is how the sheets are named within, or sheets are organized within this Excel file. Now if I want to just get the first element of the list, and let's say if I want to data 1 underscore df, I have this now in a data frame and I can now further analyze it. So essentially there is some file sitting on my system. It is an Excel file with multiple worksheets. I can basically use lapply to import this into my system and then do subsequent calculation.